Today's integration is in a 2013 Porsche 911 Cabriolet. This is one of the original factory navigation radios. It did not come with factory backup camera. So we integrated the backup camera into the rear of the vehicle and then tied that into the factory screen itself. When you go in reverse to the vehicle, you will see the image comes behind you. It also has your distance guidelines. That red line right there is about 18 inches behind the back of the bumper. And then when you go into drive, it will deactivate that. This also has another handy thing that if the client at any time wants to activate the backup camera even while they're going forward to see the vehicle behind them, the original factory button right here, which is the defroster, when the top is up, you can actually hit this defroster button twice, and that will force through the backup camera image at any time, even while you're driving forward for safety. And then you can hit this defroster button again twice, and then it will deactivate that. Have any questions, please feel free. Go to our website, jml.com, send us an email, and also you can reach out to us directly. Our phone number is 636-343-2020. Thank you so much.